How to eat flax seeds for weight loss, best ways. Move over chia. Here we're taking it back to basics with the good old flaxseed. Used for centuries, flax is one of the oldest crops cultivated by man. But did you know that this surprising tiny seed is actually a weight loss warrior? That's right, not only a nutritional superfood, the benefits of flax seeds for weight loss have already been discovered by many women around the globe. Why is flaxseed a superfood? The humble flaxseed, which you may also know as linseed, might not look like much, but this tiny, hard seed is a nutritional powerhouse. Flax seeds are the richest known source of plant-based omega-3 and 6 essential fatty acids, in addition to providing manganese, dietary fiber, healthy fat, and some B vitamins. Flax seeds contain everything your body needs to survive and thrive and elevate the flax to one of the healthiest superfoods out there. Read on to uncover the surprising secrets flaxseed has to offer for yourself.